let's talk about a concept called formula fields in Salesforce. So how can we create these formula fields? And before that, we should know what is this formula fields. So formula fields are the read-only system-generated fields, which value will be generated by Salesforce automatically based on the formula that we provide. So these formula fields uh, cannot be editable by the users. Even if the Salesforce administrator profile also you can't edit these formula fields. These will be recalculated if the source field value has been changed. So let's go to how we can create this formula fields. One, okay. So to do that, first we have to create the formula fields. First, suppose I am choosing this. So let's choose the formula field in accounts. Go to the account object fields and relationships tabs. Click on new. Here you can see rollups and formula on the top of the rollups. We have formula fields. Here we have given a field label there. Let's say what we can give that field label in there. So for which case, which scenario will uh, create a formula field? Let's create number of created days. So what we'll assume is, so we have to get the detail days from today to when the record is created. Suppose the record is created in the last year, we'll have to get the how many days it's been created. So we need to know the details. So for reporting purpose, some another person, let's assume. So we'll have to uh, choose the return type. Also, what value it will be returned. So it will be date. So if it is created date, let's check if it is a created date, it's a date field or it's a time, date and time field. We have to check that one also. So for created field, it's a date and time. So let's say an account, choose the return type as date and time. Now click on next. So here choose the advanced formula. We even they give you some, click on its advanced formula settings, insert the field, it's account. We need to return the value. So for that we can get let's have a quick view about this interface. So here we have two tabs, simple formula and advanced formula. Always choose the advanced formula because you will get more features in there. So we have number of created dates equals to date and times equal. So we'll get this expression here. So we'll have these tabs insert fields. Suppose we can insert account fields here. All the account fields are available in here. Let then insert operator like add, subtract, expose, close parenthesis. All these features are available in insert operation. Here we have functions, date and time functions, day. These are the functions defaultly provided by uh, Salesforce logical functions and our case if blank is null is blank. These are the logical things, maths, cost, distance, text functions includes his pick value, left, lowercase, l. So these are some functions, and you have to get the details understanding about these functions. So what we can use, how can we do this? So in that way you can check the Salesforce documents regarding this, and you can go to the Trailblazer account and do some practices in that. There will be some modules there. So number of so date and time. So click on this today, insert the select. So go to this. So we need to number of dates will be today to the previous day. So go to subtract and install the created date. And so after giving your expression, what I'm doing, I want to get the number of created dates. What it means from today to created dates, how many days it has been. So check the syntax. See, error incorrect parameter for operator number, expected number, date, received date and time. Okay. So today, right? So it's a date and time. Today will gives us uh, only today function will give us the date only. So we need the date and time also. So let's click on this insert this now function and check the syntax. So see, formula result data type is number, but income expected date and time. So what we given is the date and time we given as a return type. So there we did some mistake. So what we have to do, go to the previous, change this date and time to, because we are returning the number, right? We are not returning the date, so we'll get in the number of dates. So that's the mistake we have done. Now it's a return type is a number. Now see, no syntax, no make function. Okay, so we'll get the date and time and created date and times differences, and we can give some description. We can give some help test here there. These are the function you should be know each and every function details. So mostly we use this blank value. This blank value the one function is there, and these pick values for case includes we'll use this pick value, we'll use lower, we'll use, because after clicking on the convert all letters you can get the description here itself. You can check if the rest begins with specified characters is true or false. After clicking on any features, you will get the entire description what will, and we can click on this help this function there also, where we'll get the entire details from help.salesforce.com. Help and training community portal is there. There you can get all the details. So let's click on next. Visible to all the profiles, and make it visible to all the profiles. Click on save. So in this way you can create formula fields. So let's go to the formula field. What it is? Number of created dates, right? So let's open an account. Here is the account. I'll just refresh this one. Instead of instead of looking at each and every record, we'll use this one. Select the field values here. Let's remove these and go to number of number of created dates. So click on save. So see how many created dates are there. 13.8. So from today to this record is created on what date? So it was created on 7th, sorry, not last, it's created on 4th of 2004. No, 17 minus 4, 13. So it's considering its time also because we use that now. So you can let that point remove. You can even you need that time also point exactly the time and all. So because all these are provided by default by Salesforce, then let's create a new record. Text. account. Is there any? There is only one name is the. So this account is created. Now come to the all account text account zeros because it's the created date is not even gone one day. We just now created this. So it's a 00. So in that way we can see the changes in the formula fields and it will automatically update. So there is one more thing in this formula field called cross object formula. So this is the account, right? Now new formula field. Next. So let's keep it any. Let's give this number. So I would just want to show you the this feature. What we call is cross object methods. This is the account, right? The parent fields of this account you can check. For account there is no parent field currently. Okay, that owner is the parent because this user is the parent. So we can see the user. Let's go to this book. Now click on new. So there is a relationship between book and account. This one master data relationship in book and account. Click on new formula field. Next, use some context text. Click on okay. You have to select this return type as well. Click on next. Okay, we have already a field as context in book, so that's why it is showing this already field is context on book. So now click on this insert. This is the book. Icon fields are also we can access from child to parent. The books can access the child from parent, but the parent cannot access the child fields. It's not possible in this formula fields. That's the one major interview question you can be asked. Okay, please remember this one. Okay, I'll show it that this one also for you. Next, choose anything just for giving. Click on next. Click on insert. See, you are not seeing any child record values, but when it comes to book, we can see icon because there is a relationship between books and icons. So in this way, you can create this cross object fields, formula fields also. So if you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll give an answer regarding this, and even will try to solve your problem as soon as possible. Thank you.